extremities. So that's nice. Yeah, most people end up doing the sensory testing now. This is kind of fun. So if you look at your practicums, you do not have to do every single test. You basically get to choose 3. And so I just showed you a bunch, so you can choose any 3 you like. So for instance, let's say we decide that we want to do vibration. Now, this is vibration, and I want you to shut your eyes and let me know when you feel it. And where?
No.
Okay, great. So she feels vibration on the distal joints. So the position, the vibratory sense is intact. Now let's say you decided that you want to do graphesthesia. Now close your eyes and tell me what letter this is.
L.
Yes, good. So that's intact. Now for the big one, which is your spinal thalamics, now you can open your eyes, and this is sharp, this is soft. Now if you shut them, let me know what you feel.
Sharp. Soft.
So she's able to differentiate sharp and dull. So that's good. Now, another possibility would be, instead of vibration, we could do proprioception. So this is up and this is down. Can you shut your eyes and tell me where your finger is?
Up.
Okay, perfect. So her proprioception is intact. So you can pick 3 of any of those cortical discrimination tests, okay? At this point, I normally do the cerebellar stuff, so you're going to do 1 for each of the extremities, upper and lower. All right, let's do finger, nose. Okay, good. Very talented. Now, if you decided to do hand flip-flops, that's okay, or touching your fingers alternately. Okay, good. More expected. You're much more than I ever anticipated. Now, I'm probably going to do the walk as my way of testing her, because I like to see them walk anyway. So I'm going to move on to our reflexes. Okay. Now, what I'm doing is I'm stretching. You see how I engage it first? Then I always get a good response. By engage, I mean I'm stretching the tendon. So you always get some really nice... Now, this is the end of the day stinky foot routine. Most people don't like to take their shoes off at the end of the day. I think we're with them, right? So I have a person just relax, and then I dorsiflex the foot. Now, did you see the foot go down? That's the Achilles tendon. Now, let's say she's too nervous or too wrought up to relax. What we use is we use reinforcement. Now, let's just see, because she's got +2s. Now, that was good. Those are real good reflexes. Now, those would have been +3s. Now, a +4 is like, pow, without the reinforcement, and that's not normal. Okay? Okay, great. Now, I'm going to get Melody off the table. I'm going to have her walk down the hall. Now, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for symmetry of walk, no swing. Okay, good. Now you can turn around. Okay, wonderful. Now, for more fun, you could have the client do the tandem walk, which is walk on a line, heel to toe. Okay, well this one does it with rhythm. Okay, that's fine. Now that's appropriate for a dancer. Okay, now let's do the orthopedic exam. Now let's put the legs together. Good. Now, there's no space between the knees to speak of or the ankles, so she's normal. Now let's everyone look at the back. Now, are the shoulders even? Scapula? Yes. Ischial spines. Gluteal folds. Now I would have her touch her toes and then come up slowly. And she's nice and straight. Now the last thing is Romberg. So if you could put your back to the wall but not touch it. Right like this. Now I'd like you to put your arms up and close your eyes. Okay, now Melody is always putting stuff over me. Now, if she swayed to the left, where would the problem be?
On our left.
On the left, good. This is not like the motor fibers. So if she swayed to the right, it would be the right. Now, if one of the arms drifted,
Problem on the
then we've got a motor
opposite.
problem on the other side. Because the sway actually tests the cerebellum and the vestibular portion of the ear. Great, thank you. That's it.
Thank you.